everyday life. In this video, we'll introduce you to your new smartwatch and show you how to start using it. When you first take Vivoactive 3 out of the box, give it a charge. Just plug the included charging cable into the port at the back of the device. Then plug the other end into any USB port. After it's charged, you can complete the easy setup process. It will walk you through how to get your smartwatch up and running and even pair it with your phone. Now, let's take a look at your watch. This is the home screen. You'll notice a button on the side of the watch face. You can press and hold the button to view the controls menu. The controls menu contains shortcuts that let you do things like turn on Do Not Disturb mode, access your Garmin Pay wallet, save your current location, turn the device off, and more. You can swipe up or down to scroll through the widgets, or use the side swipe control. As you do, you'll see at-a-glance summaries of your daily activity, weather, smart notifications, heart rate, and more. To start an activity, press the button from your home screen. Scroll through the available activities and select one by tapping on the screen. GPS will turn on automatically if you've selected an outdoor activity. Go outside and wait for the device to locate satellites. When it does, you can press the button again to start the timer. At the end of your activity, press the button to stop the timer. When you're done with your activity, tap the Done button on the screen.